Hello everyone, I'm Nadia Patel. Welcome back to my channel. From today's lecture onwards, we are starting a new series about Linux hands-on, which is going to be a practical series, how to work practically on Linux environment. Now, as we have switched from operating system to Linux operating system practicals, in today's lecture we will roughly go through about the introduction of Linux IDE, what exactly the IDE is. So basically IDE, that is integrated development environment, is a software application that helps programmers to develop software code efficiently, edit, build, test, and have a easy to use application, and it helps in automation. So they are either installed or kept on cloud as they consume a lot of space. We are already familiar to editors, which is like Visual Studio or NetBeans. It is very similar to that. So using these IDEs, you can do your coding efficiently. I'll upload a separate video on different IDEs available for Linux, but in today's lecture itself, we'll go through the ones which are already installed and understand them. Let's get familiar to Linux environment right now. The screen on which is showing is the desktop of your Ubuntu Linux. My mouse pointer is not showing, but you have to closely observe through the highlights. So wherever it is highlighting, I'm hovering my mouse over there. So we are very familiar with Windows, where we have a taskbar in the downside and we have a start button. On clicking the start button, we see all the applications available. Like our desktop has all the folders which are created on the desktop, you can see it here as well. In the right hand side, you can see all the options where you can get help for connecting your device to internet or Bluetooth. So your favorite option, which is after completing your practicals, you just tend to shut down your machines, that is going to be in the last side where you can shut your device up. So all the options related to connectivity to internet or Bluetooth are available there. When you click on the system or information, you see all the basic information about your operating system, which is your device name. You can see your hardware model, you can see what operating system is installed, what is the type of operating system, and we have a genome version installed. So with this version, the IDEs or software which are compatible with this configuration, you need to install them. We have already installed some of the applications for which we are going to make use for our practicals. So let us go through the icon list first. As we know that into the Windows, when you click on the start button, you see a nice list available. Here you can see the similar icons on the vertical arrangement, all possible icons which are installed, your disk, if you're using external disk, everything. So let us click on the show applications button or icon. You can see all the applications installed on this device, and with that you should observe that there is something named here Linux or LibreOffice. So LibreOffice is very similar to our Microsoft Office automation tools. So you get to create your Word files, you get to create your Excel sheets, you can create your PowerPoint presentation, everything on Linux using LibreOffice. You have different IDEs available, but we have chosen LibreOffice for our version. Now let us simply go through how the files and folders appear. So the mouse has hovered and you can see that the folder are going to appear very similar to our Windows operating system. Even here you can go through the by clicking on the right click on your mouse, you can create a new folder, rename it, your favorite, cut, copy, paste, everything can be done in this folder location. But avoid doing that, create your own files on your own instead of copying somebody else's material. So let us come back to our terminal. This is where you're going to do your practicals for this semester. Basically you can see that this is very similar to in the look and feel to DOS, you can say DOS command prompt. So like DOS prompt, we are going to have our terminal. If the icon is not showing on your device, you can simply search it and the icon will get appeared. I have typed the TER. So once I type it, you can see that icon. You can click it either from the icon list or you can search it. So as you can see that this is not going to be the DOS prompt, but this is dollar prompt. You can see a dollar over there. So you can simply run some commands and check. I'm just running ls command, which is listing command, so that we can see which files and folders are already created. So the list has got appeared. I've pressed enter, and you can see some files are in the blue color and some files appear to be in the white. The ones which are in the blue color are the directories or folders, and the ones appearing to be in the white are files. So now let us try creating a folder which is a directory. In DOS we, or in operating system C practicals, the first assignment which you did was md command. So here for creating a directory we are going to make use of mkdir. I have created a test assignment named folder, and I've again run the ls command. You can see the test assignments folder is already done. It is created. We need to locate the same in the folder location, so I'm just minimizing the screen. You can see there are icons and options where you can close the window, you can minimize the window, and you can also I can say adjust the properties of this window. I'm just minimizing it. Let's go to our folder location again and locate this folder. You can see the test assignment. Yeah, it is done. Test assignments folder is done, which is empty right now. I'll close it and we'll create simply a file inside this folder. You can click on the, you can right click by selecting this folder and go into the properties, where you can see where this folder is created, that is in the home, and this is the root location. You can change or add or give some permissions to this folder, and you can also share this folder over internet, or you can say over network if the device is into the LAN or it is connected to a network. Now let us go back to the terminal screen and try creating a file inside it. For creating a file inside this folder, we need to go through the directory handling commands and file handling commands, which I don't think it is necessary right now. What I've done is I've selected the whole window, I've copied it, and I'm trying to paste it in a LibreOffice file. So I've typed, given a title named assignment, and will simply enter and paste it. You can make use of the options, and you can also make use of the shortcuts. So anyhow you can do it. We'll save this file. You can see the name is appearing in the orange above, but before that I'll just select my folder first. I've selected the folder test assignments. I'll double click on it, and now I'll simply give a nice name to that file, but I'm just searching if the file is available or not. Okay, the file is not showing. Even if the file of same name, similar name is available, it will prompt you. So give a proper name, which could be your assignment name or assignment number, and simply save that file. Before saving that file, make sure the file extension is proper. So you can see a list of different extensions available or files supported. I'm keeping it in the default extension itself. So let us save it and close this file. Now let's locate this file inside our test assignments folder. So this Word file should be, yes, it has got saved in here. You can do the same thing by using terminal, which I'll show you in the coming video lectures. But by far now, I think this is what you should understand, that how is the look and feel of Linux operating system, where you can create your Word files, and yes, you can print this file up, which is important for your practical. In coming lectures we'll go through one more assignment.